You may not even realize that you actually spend a lot of time each day just typing. Let it be while chatting with friends or emailing your colleagues. You do type a lot, believe it or not. But what if we tell you that there are many online typing jobs available where you can do it from home and earn decent cash? But is that even possible to generate sustainable income each month just typing? Yes, it is. You heard it right. It is now very much possible to earn from online typing jobs, as many trusted platforms now provide this opportunity around the globe. Today, I am going to show you how to earn money online $20,000 per month typing online. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. Transcription typing jobs. Nothing can be as high-paying and sustainable as transcription if you are looking for legit online typing jobs this year. All you need is to type it out while listening to audio or video files. You just need a great typing speed with minimal error to do this job. But do you know what the main challenge is? A single hour of audio or video recording can take around 4 to 5 hours on average to transcribe fully. So it is very difficult to transcribe more than 100 to 120 minutes of audio or video each day. But yes, there are some massive advantages as well. According to the estimation of Salary.com, the average salary of a transcriber is around $47,000 a year. It's not very difficult to fetch up to $28 an hour, although the average lies around $15 to $20 per hour. 2. Blog writing jobs from home. Do you know what is even more lucrative than freelance writing? Yes, it is blog writing. And if you are looking for online typing jobs without investment, it is also the one to hop for. If you have a creative mind, you can start your own blog or can participate in other blogs as well. It is also among the highest paying typing jobs that you can do these days sitting at your home. According to SEMrush, an average blogger makes around $8,000 per month. You can easily fetch around $100,000 per year if you work hard on your blog. The income from blogging is completely passive, so you work only once but get paid forever. 3. Online proofreading jobs. If you are aiming to earn an at-par hourly rate from online typing jobs from home, you better aim for proofreading. You mainly need to correct the grammatical, syntactical, punctuation, and spelling mistakes of any write-ups. So you better have an unmatched skill in English to make any document completely error-free. According to a recent report by Salary.com, talented proofreaders now earn around $54,000 per year on average. You can easily fetch up to $26 per hour, although the average is around $20 per hour. Many companies offer lucrative incentives to their top performers as well. But can you become Cristiano Ronaldo without the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson? No, you can't. You need some guidance to make your proofreading path more even. Would you say no to a free course by a proofreading expert? I'm sure you won't say no after knowing how her students are performing. Take a look. 4. Freelance writing jobs. Freelance writing is among the real online typing jobs from home that have dominated the market for a very long time. You definitely need flair in writing to achieve success in this industry. Besides, you should also have sufficient SEO knowledge and a creative mind to make unique and highly engaging content. According to the current report of ZipRecruiter, you can fetch up to $30 an hour as a freelance writer. And if you take it as a full-time opportunity, even $100,000 per year is also achievable. But to touch a six-figure earning, you definitely need to have the guidance of an expert. 5. Editing jobs from home. You need to understand the basic difference between a proofreader and an editor first. While a proofreader is responsible for the grammatical accuracy of the writing, an editor is solely responsible for its quality. You need to act as the QC guy for any write-ups, let it be a blog, news report, or even a whole ebook. But to do that, you need the right mix-up of creative abilities and impeccable language grip. And if you have that, you can easily fetch around $25 an hour. However, you can earn up to $95,000 per year as a full-time editor according to a recent ZipRecruiter report. Most editorial jobs need you to have at least 2 years of professional experience in the industry. Besides, you should also have native-level language proficiency. You can also climb up the ladder from a proofreader and then gradually venture into the editorial team. 6. Paid online surveys. If you are a fresher looking for online typing jobs, online surveys can be your best resort. It is probably among the very few freelance jobs that don't need any specific academic or technical qualification. All you need is a computer with stable internet connectivity to get started. But most of the websites that offer these online surveys are fakes. Don't you think that too? So you need to take cautious steps before selecting the right platforms. Although it is a bit difficult to find, there are several websites that now offer legit surveys that pay up to $100 per survey. Many websites also have an immense reputation for their timely payment and trustworthiness. Besides the trust factor, many websites also provide sign-up bonuses and lucrative referral programs. 7. Virtual assistant jobs from home. From social media management to appointment scheduling, from making reservations to sending emails, virtual assistants covers almost anything. It is actually a remote PA service where you need to do small day-to-day jobs. Although it is not one of the conventional online typing jobs, you may need to write a lot in several VA projects. However, it is among the highest paid opportunities with an average payout of $20 per hour. According to the 2021 report of ZipRecruiter, the average salary of a VA lies around $68,000 per year. Not everyone goes above that average, although it is surely possible to fetch even a six-figure salary. Gina Horkey is one such VA who not only has immense experience, but also has trained many successful VA since 2014. And now she has revealed the golden secrets of success to other aspiring people like you. In this course, you get to know about all the 275+ services that you can offer as a VA. Besides, you will also get your custom formula to get high-paying clients. 8. Captioning jobs from home. If you have a great typing speed and look for the online best typing jobs from home, you can definitely try captioning. It is mainly the subtitles that display below the videos. You need to ensure the quality of the captioning with minimal error. Besides, you may also need to take care of the notations like honking or laughing noises. You do need to have an excellent typing speed, preferably more than 65 words per minute to do this job. Besides, you just need to achieve at least 99% accuracy in live captioning. And most importantly, you should have excellent ear-hand coordination to enable seamless typing. You can fetch up to $24 an hour while doing this as a freelancer. However, the average hourly rate lies between $16 and $20 per hour. According to the ZipRecruiter report, you can earn around $58,000 per year as a captioner. 9. Data entry jobs without investment. Data entry is undoubtedly among the simple online typing jobs from home that you can try this year. It is also among the first online jobs that went online a decade ago. From simple form filling to OCR entries, data entry covers a large segment. According to recent U.S. government statistics, you can fetch up to $16 per hour while doing basic data entry jobs. However, the average lies between $12 and $15 per hour, and a recent ZipRecruiter study also confirmed that the yearly average salary now lies around $69.5 thousand. Although data entry doesn't need you to have any special skills, most companies will conduct a background verification. They mainly do it as you may have to deal with sensitive data during your project. 10. Website testing jobs. Many companies look for genuine reviews to know about the user-friendliness of their websites and apps, and for that, they hire website testers. You mainly need to identify the flaws and bugs while surfing through a particular website or while using a particular app. It can take around 20 minutes to completely test a website, and for that, you can fetch around $10. Thus, you have a chance to earn up to $30 per hour. The current average earning is $54,000 per year, according to a recent ZipRecruiter report. You'll get the most testing projects if you are from Tier 1 countries like the USA and UK. But wherever you are from, you should only take it as a side hustle due to irregular project availability in most cases. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.